PartMaker offers the most powerful machining algorithms of any production machining CAM system on the market today. PartMaker's machining algorithms are developed exclusively by Delcam, the software's developer. Delcam employs the industry's largest CAM software development team. All of our industry-leading machining strategies, including high-speed machining, comprehensive finishing, and abundant 5-axis machining strategies, are developed in-house and are strictly proprietary to Delcam CAM products. Our milling toolpath strategies are not only highly sophisticated, but also very safe and easy to use. They perform gouge checking automatically, machining just the surfaces you select, and making sure to automatically avoid the ones you don't. Our software uses intelligent defaults to assure you achieve superior surface finishes with minimal data entry. PartMaker incorporates a wide variety of sophisticated machining strategies, including undercut and stock model machining, among others. Unlike other CAM vendors, we don't license our machining technology from third parties, assuring you the most powerful, well-supported technology while giving you the competitive edge in your business.